Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making a pecan pie. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You will need 3/4 cups of chopped pecans, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1/2 cup of light corn syrup, 1/2 cup of dark corn syrup, 3 eggs, 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 pie crust, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and some extra pecans to garnish. Add your eggs to a large bowl, then whisk until well combined. Now add the brown sugar and melted butter. Add the vanilla, cornstarch, salt, light corn syrup, and dark corn syrup, then mix until well combined. If you'd like a printable version of this recipe, along with other recipes, please visit my website at soulfoodcooking101.com. I have provided a link in the description below. There you will also find my cookbook, The Best of Soul Food Cooking. It makes a great gift for your family and friends. Now fold in your chopped pecans. Now pour the pie filling into the pie crust. Now top your pie with your remaining pecans. Now transfer your pie to the oven that has been preheated to 350 degrees. Allow your pie to cook for 1 hour. After 1 hour, remove your pie from the oven and place it on a wire rack to cool. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made for you. Videos twice a week, and how to leave